3 tips and tricks that will save you valuable time. Tip number 1. Do you happen to struggle to find the right position of the camera like this? And when you finally get it, not being able to copy your view to the camera? Then this tip is for you. Go to the editor, Editor Settings. Then go to Shortcuts and search Align. We need the shortcut named Align Transform with View. Change this to whatever shortcut you want. Now select the camera and choose the view you like. Press the keys you've chosen, which in my case are Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt, and you'll see that the camera is now facing your view. Tip number 2. I bet that you still comment out the lines that you don't need like this. But imagine if you had dozens of lines to comment out. I have a much easier way for you. Select all the lines you want to comment out and press Ctrl plus K. What's more, you can change this shortcut like we previously did by searching Toggle Comment in the shortcut section. Tip number 3. I recently wanted to copy the transform of the camera to a new one, but it's useless to copy for all X, Y, and Z axis, since there is one easier way. Just click on the position tag, press Ctrl plus C, and then go to your other node, again click on the position tag and press Ctrl plus V. It's not the greatest discovery, but believe me, it saves you some time. That was the video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you want to learn how to make a top-down character, check this video.